My reaction was definitely a gasp. You're like, wow, like that's my hair before, and look at it now. Like it's dark, it's full, it's you know, it's potent. I think the little time and effort is definitely worth the results, 100%. Going to the Hair Club in Thousand Oaks, it was great. Kristen, the one that helped me, was amazing. She made me feel comfortable. She was always smiling and laughing. So as soon as I walked in, we were just joking back and forth, and she was cleaning my hair and this and that. It was a good experience. It's definitely worth the time you put into it, and you want to get that hair back. Having my hair again definitely makes me feel young again.